I think they should get a room. That's not appropriate here. And her opponent is also making her debut here at PCWA. Here comes her opponent. Storm here is making her debut at PCWA. Sounds like she's going to be the fan favorite here in the first match. Finally, somebody needs to take the microphone off her. Where's the... All right, here we go. We're starting. Here comes my partner, Paul Bow.
What a high-tech commentary setup we have here at PCWA. They spare no expense. Paul Bow alongside G.I. Bear here at the metropolis of Atlas, PA, Mount Carmel, whatever you want to call it. We got Divas action.
It looked like it was starting off there pretty good, and then she grabbed the microphone off you, and I couldn't hear a word she was saying.
That was the microphone she tried to grab.
Yeah.
Let's be clear on that.
I don't know, Paul. Your shirt's untucked, though, so...
Well, you never know. I'll tell you what. La Tormenta, JC Storm, giving Valerie Verman all she can handle here. They call herself the Primadonna Prince and Princess, and I'll tell you what, the way they were making out there, Greg, walking in the ring, it got me a little excited.
I said they needed a room, and it's... Now
to put her at the La Quinta or whatever here.
I think we have White Castle or something, not the restaurant either. Look at this, her boyfriend is sitting there trying to tag on JC Storm, and look who's right. Oh! She outsmarted, but look at there. They need a room, Paul. They need a room.
JC Storm.
Ah, there we go.
Goes down low for the basement drop kick. Both girls outside the ring, rolls her in the hard way. And there, that was that opportunity that Valerie Verman needed as she stomped her. She waited for that opportunity. As soon as she got the chance to stop her, she did. Here comes a big whip. Pillar to post. Wheeling hard off the turnbuckle. Here comes Verman in. Nobody home.
Missed that one.
Down low, right in the breadbasket. Look, up and over.
Oh, just barely made it. Just barely made it.
Oh, there we go. Crucifix backslide. Stomps her right back in the side of the head. Verman controlling the action here.
One of these are going to be the #1 contender for the title.
Oh, dropped her right on her head. She's... Don't see that roll here.
Two count. Yeah, there's a lot of people here, Paul. It's hard to see.
Nice venue here. The smokes fill the air as the entrance of JC Storm. Verman now stalking around the rings. I'll tell you what, that boyfriend, you talk about someone that's annoying. Sam Thompson.
And he'll be in competition here soon.
Later on tonight, going for the Mexican head scissor takeover. Oh, man! Dropped her right on her head again. Hooks the leg, shoulders down. 2 count.
2 count again. And it continues.
JC Storm has the advantage. She's got to keep it up.
There we go. She's got the momentum going now.
Going for the mule kick right to the side of the face. Gets pendulum backward. 1, 2.
2 count again.
I'll tell you what, when you get a girl like Verman down, you got to stay on top of her. She's taking every minute. It's going to go in a. Looks like a sharpshooter here from my angle.
Oh, she rolled it over.
And submission.
Yep, she's got her in the
crusher.
And there's the boyfriend up there for the save again.
Thompson providing the distraction again.
Oh, what a slap!
She just gangster slapped his ass.
Oh, he's on the floor. He's going to feel that. And look, she took advantage of that. That's
feet over. The Primadonna Princess, Valerie Verman.
That was a good start-off match. And look, boyfriend's carrying her out of the ring. What a...
God almighty. Well, they're on first, so they'll be out in the parking lot.
Yep, they'll be getting their room early, Paul.